Have you ever wondered how to build wealth strategically? It's not about overnight success, but rather a carefully structured and strategic approach. Here are some key strategies to consider. Firstly, consider diversified investments. It's crucial to spread your investments across various asset classes such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and even alternative investments like cryptocurrencies or commodities. Why? Diversification mitigates risk, as different asset classes often perform differently under various economic conditions. Next, think about stock market investments. Investing in the stock market can be an effective way to build wealth over the long term. Consider a mix of individual stocks, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds or ETFs. Remember to focus on stocks with a strong track record of growth and dividends. Thirdly, real estate investments. Real estate can provide a steady income stream and potential appreciation in value. This could be buying rental properties, investing in real estate investment trusts, or participating in real estate crowdfunding. Now let's talk about retirement accounts. Maximize contributions to retirement accounts like 401ks, IRAs, or Roth IRAs. These accounts offer tax advantages that can significantly enhance wealth accumulation over time. The fifth strategy is regular savings and compound interest. Start saving early and reap the benefits of compound interest. Even small, regular contributions to a savings account or investment portfolio can grow substantially over time. Then there's debt management. High-interest debt, like credit card debt, can erode your financial health. Work on paying down high-interest debts while avoiding new debt. The seventh strategy is education and career advancement. Investing in your education and career can lead to higher earnings. Always seek opportunities for advancement and higher income. 8. Maintain an emergency fund. This helps cover unexpected expenses and avoid derailing your investment strategy in case of unforeseen events. 9th, maintain a long-term perspective. Wealth building is typically a long-term endeavor. Stay focused on long-term goals rather than short-term market fluctuations. And lastly, consult regularly with a financial advisor. Tailor your investment strategy to your specific financial goals and risk tolerance. Remember, each strategy should be tailored to your financial situation, goals, and risk tolerance. Building wealth is a journey that requires patience, discipline, and an informed approach. With these strategies, you can navigate the path to wealth with confidence and purpose. Thanks for watching, everyone. For related resources, check out the clickable links in the description below. Stay tuned for more and see you in the next one.